So now we're going to look at how to create a list for people who are looking to get to open houses. So it's a really good way because people love to go to open houses, but they'll have to sign in to get leads. And if they're signing in to get leads for open houses, they're obviously buyers. So it's a great way to go ahead and get that list set up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to, again, back in your Lofty, not your website. Go to marketing on the bottom, tools, landing pages. Now for this one, you can either just add a landing page or move all the way to the right and hit view more, whichever way you prefer. I just clicked add a new landing page. And then I'm going to look for right here, open house listings. I'm going to hit select template. Very simple. I can pick the open house data range, which means I want to do it in the next 7 days. So any open houses that will say the next week. Any open houses this week, I want to do it, and I want to do it for, I'm going to do it for this area. I was in Converse, San Antonio. Let's pick a different area for Bernie. Any of these times we can pick any area you want, as long as they're in your featured areas that we talked about in the other video. So then again, I would put the page name would be Open Houses Bernie. Very simple, and then I just hit save. Then it's going to build me a list of all the open houses that we have. See, boom, there's 6 of them right there, ready to go that they have set up so far. So this is really cool, ready to go. And then all you would do your same thing. You would hit the 3 buttons on the left. If it isn't able to publish like it is, I'd be set, go right there. And then I just hit publish. It loads up. Again, I like to go to post to social. This is just me because I want to grab this link and use it different ways. And I'm going to copy the link. Again, just to make it easy, I'm just going to show you on Facebook what it looks like. And then you would drop it right here. Boom. There it is. Open house listings. You say, then you do highlight the whole link again, not letter by letter, but the whole link. And then you would say something such as, are you looking for an open house this weekend in Bernie? This was happened to be in Bernie, Texas, and Bernie, San Antonio, whatever. Check out my free list of the open houses, the most popular homes. And that would be it. They'd click it, they'd open it, you'd be able to catch some leads, and they'll go right into your Lofty. Very easy way. You see, it literally took us 5 minutes. Not even that long. It's only been like 3 minutes. So just click, open it, click, put a message, and then start sharing to the Facebook groups. So once I post it, I want to share it to up to 10 Facebook groups. And you always want to like or love it and leave a comment. So that's then every time anyone else reacts or says, oh, cool, thank you for posting, you always reply back to them. By doing that, the algorithm of Facebook and other social media will now push you into their timeline if you reply. You can't just like or love, you actually have to leave a physical comment. And that's an easy way to get in front of people and to knock out some different opportunities that way. Very simple, very easy. As you can see, I'm ready to go, ready to knock it out. Good luck. Go get some more leads.